So Kyle, you're at the food waste composting operation now. So this is where we do about 300 tons a week at this facility of material just like this. And we figure in Kansas City, we're only doing somewhere between 5 and 10% of that food waste that's out there.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
This all comes from local grocery stores?
So this is all coming from local grocery stores, restaurants, cafeterias, we got about 250 customers altogether. So we're collecting in trucks, on routes, source-separated food waste.
We are at Juniper Gardens Training Farm in downtown Kansas City, Kansas, which is the home of the New Roots for Refugees program, where we work with 16 families every year to grow on a quarter-acre piece of land and then grow and sell that to the Kansas City area. Here at Juniper Gardens Training Farm, we focus on growing following organic standards. We aren't certified organic because there's a lot of financial barriers and then also barriers in terms of record keeping, but all of the produce that's grown here is grown following organic methods.
Can you tell us a little bit about the plastering process? What do you guys use?
We start with an earthen plaster, which is essentially sand, clay, some straw. It's just like cooking, you have to have the right ratios.